Hey, kindergarten. So today we are going to be working on less than. So what I mean by that is, if we look at number 1, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 animals at the top and 1, 2, 3 at the bottom. So if I match these up, I can tell that this group at the top has more than the group on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and put an X through this group right here. Okay, these toys over here, I'm going to do exactly the same thing. So I'm going to match up. And I can see that I have 1 extra right here. Therefore, this group at the bottom has less toys than the group at the top. And I'm going to go ahead and put an X through that group right there. Okay, turning over. So on this side, we have drums. And on this side, we have a trumpet. So, again, I'm going to match up. So I draw a line from the drum to the trumpet. And that's it. I can't match up anymore. So I know that there are more drums than there are trumpets. This group is less. So I'm going to go ahead and put an X through it. Okay, here we have different types of hats. I'm going to match these two up. And I can see that I have more of this type of hat than I do of this type of hat. Here I have 1, 2, 3. Here I only have 1 and 2. 2 is less than 3. I'm going to go ahead and put an X through that group right there. Okay, turning the page. Okay, so here we have raindrops. And we have sun stickers. So what I'm going to do here, same again, I'm trying to figure out which thing I have less of. So if I draw a line from this raindrop to the sun and this raindrop to the sun, I can see that I have more raindrops than I do sun stickers. So I have less sun stickers, and I'm going to go ahead and put an X through that group there. All right, over here we've got 1 crayon on this side and a group of 4 crayons on this side. If I match them up, I can draw my line across there. I can see that I have less crayons on this side than I do on this side. So I have less over here, which means I put an X through. Okay, for number 8, we have some trains and we have some dump trucks. So I'm going to draw a line from my train to my dump truck here. I'm going to draw a line here and a line here. So I've matched these ones up, and I can see that I have less dump trucks than I do trains. I'm going to put an X through my dump trucks because there is less of them than there are trains. Okay, over here we have 3 counters at the top. In the bottom, I've got to draw a group of counters that is less than the 3 at the top. So if I go ahead and just draw 1, leave the rest of the spaces blank, you match them up, I can see that I have less red counters than I do black counters. So this group down here is less than this group up here. Okay, kindergarten, great job today, and I will see you next time.